Hello everyone, I am Tarek Khan from Eastern Michigan University School of Engineering. I will now present the project Object Collecting and Organizing Household Robot using Deep Learning. So in this project, a robot has been developed that can organize randomly distributed objects such as toys in a kid's room to the assigned level of a shelf. The robot can detect and recognize an object using deep learning from camera images. Then it moves towards the object, grabs and lifts the object. Finally, it puts the object to its assigned level on a shelf. So in this project, two classes of objects were used. One is the car, another is box. So here you can see two images of car objects, and at the bottom, two images of box objects. The robot puts the cars on the top level of the shelf and boxes on the bottom level of the shelf. In this project, a deep learning model is trained for object detection using custom dataset. Here we have used SSD MobileNet version 2 object detector. And here you can see the real-time object detection using the proposed deep learning algorithm. Here you can see the robot can detect the car and the box accurately. This is the photograph of the prototype. So this is the proposed, this is the developed robot. So it has several electrical and control parts. So number one is the control hub. Number two is the battery. Number three is the linear motion mechanism, which raises the hand to different levels. Here at 4 is the webcam. At 5, we have the HD hex DC motor to actuate the linear motion mechanism. Number 6 is the traction wheel. Number 7 is the omni wheel. And number 8, which is at the left side of this traction wheel. Here we have the hex DC motor for driving. Then number 9 is the continuous rotation servo motor, which rotates number 10, which is flexible lever plates to grab and drop objects. And at number 11, here we have a servo motor to set the hand angle. Here is a video demonstration of the prototype. Here you can see some toys are randomly distributed in the room, and here is the robot. The robot will detect the objects and put them in the appropriate level of the shelf. So let's watch the demo. So you see it first detected the box. It moves towards the box. It is now grabbing the box to its hand. Now it lifts the box and it is now putting it to the bottom level of the shelf. It is now coming back to its previous position. The second object is detected as the car. It moves towards the car, grabs the object, then lifts the hand so that it can put it on the top level of the shelf. Now it is dropping the object to the top level of the shelf. Now it's coming back. So here we can see that the box is put at the bottom level of the shelf and car at the top level of the shelf. So acknowledgement. These are the acknowledgements. Thank you very much.